Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, we're gonna be well, it's a secret because you already know in the info down below, like right here, but I don't know what it's called. Subtitle, I think. It's not subtitle, like a title, the title. But I'm gonna be showing you right now what I have. I just went shopping and I have some stuff that I wanted to show you. And I'm in my bathroom because my grandma, she was with us and she's watching TV, so we had to stay in here and we'll just get started. The first item that I found was this Halloween demon trident. I wanted to get this because for this Halloween I wanted to be like a demon. So I decided to get this because this nice little boy found it for me. And he was so sweet. So I said thank you, and then I moved on. And this is what the trident looks like. It's super glittery, and it has feathers in the bottom. Yeah. So I'll spare you guys. And then I got the good old Jolly Ranchers. You can't go wrong with Jolly Ranchers. Like, you can't go wrong with Jolly Ranchers. And these are delicious. They're one of my favorites. I got glow sticks that I'm going to use as a necklace. And I'm going to make into a necklace later. And then we got some horns to go with the trident. This is the adult one size, but I fit it. So I don't know how... Like, I fit this, even though this is adult one size. Wait, I'll try to wear this. Yeah, I like this. I'm just going to be wearing this for the rest of the vlog. I can't. I only have one more item that I wanted to show you, and it is these shoes. All of this was from Walmart. This is not video sponsored, but these shoes, since I have really wide feet, as you can tell, I have really wide feet. And then I had to take off my socks, it's too hot. So I had to get some new shoes because my last pair, they were so tight that they sored my feet. Yeah, and I think that's all I have, I think. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and today you should smash that like button, ding, and you should also subscribe to my channel. And today, that's all for today. Thank you and bye.